Hello guys, today I'm gonna share with you a tutorial on how to build a prototype using Axure. Today we're gonna build a login screen. This will be the first of a series of videos I'm gonna make, and it will be very short. So let's get started. To build a login screen, we are gonna build this screen on home. And this is the canvas. We want to put a background. I want to put a background on my login screen. You can just go to import this photo over here. Okay, and I can choose how I want this photo to be aligned, and whether no repeat, or you can use a small photo and put it as a repeat. It will repeat on the canvas, but I want to use this one, stretch to cover. This is so that when we resize the window, it will automatically resize the background together. Okay, then I would want to have a box in the middle, the main box containing all the titles, the username and password text box. Okay, I'm just gonna drag this over here. Let's see, this is the position X, Y, and then the size, the width and the height. You can lock the ratio also, but right now we're not gonna do that. I want this to be maybe 500. Let's see. Okay, 500 I think is good, and the height I want it to be 350. Let's see, 350. Okay, I think it's about the size I want, and I think I'm going to make the border a bit rounded. So let's just click on this, go to this corner radius. I think maybe 5% is enough. Let's see, 5%. Yes, it's a little bit rounded, subtle, but it's rounded. And we can turn this opacity down. I like it to be 90% maybe. Let's see, I think that's quite okay. And let's put in the title. Okay, I'm gonna name my program called Property Management System. Okay, this is my title, and then I want to have the username and password field. Okay, it's gonna be about this big, maybe 32 height, or 36 maybe. Okay, I think that's quite okay. And I'm gonna name this txt username. And let's look at the properties here. You can set the hint also, hint username. Okay, and then I'm gonna just copy and paste this. And this will be the password, so I just change the name, the hint, to password. And also text type, you can change the type. This one, if you change to password, it will be mask, and then the name of this object will be password. Okay, next I'm gonna have a button. I'm just gonna drag a button here. I want the button to be like this, and then name it as Tian sign in. It's gonna call sign in. Okay, and then I want to have the register link, which I'm gonna put here. Okay, I'm gonna align it to the left, register, and name it link register. And another one over here, this one I'm gonna align And this one I'm gonna align it to the left and need help to sign in. Okay, and give it the name help. Okay, so there you have it, your first login screen. And let's save this, and we're gonna preview this. Exercise 01. And just click on the preview button, it will launch on your browser. So there you have it. But this box is not aligned to the center, and it doesn't change with the resize. Okay, but the background does. So now we are gonna put in some codes to make it automatically resize or move. Okay, but before that we're gonna group all this together so that they move together. Just press on this group and then give it a name. Okay, now click on the background here, and then you will see on Windows Resize. I'll just double click on this, and then it give you a lot of actions to do. So this will be move. I want it to move. What are the things I want to move? I want to move this whole group. Okay, I'm gonna move it to, this will be the X. Now when you click on the FX, it will give you this screen. Okay, anything that is a variable, it has to be in these two square brackets. If you don't put square brackets, it will return as a text. So right now I'm gonna add a local variable. I'm gonna just give it name A so that it's easier to type. Widget, which widget? This widget. So okay, and the X position will be window dot width divide by 2 minus A, which is this one, the whole box, dot width divide by 2. This is the X position I want to move this GRP login to, and then the Y position also, square bracket. I'm going to give it another name. This variable only works on this screen. Okay, not this screen, but this what do you call this? This particular script. Window dot height, and let's say dot height. Okay, and click OK. Then we save it, and we refresh it again. You should be able to see it moves together when the window is resized. So there you have it, your first login screen with Axure. I will continue again to improve this and go into the main page